Hello students, my name is Akriti Shukla and I'm a teacher, legal teacher in Holy Hearts Education Academy, and this is probably my third session for Transfer of Property Act. So if you've skipped the first two sessions or if you're new to the video, I request you to kindly switch on the first transfer of property video and then the video for sale, and then you can start with this session where I will be dealing with lease, exchange and gift. Okay, so firstly we'll talk about what is lease. Now you must have heard कि आपके यहाँ आसपास में कोई रेंट पे अपना अपार्टमेंट देता है या अपनी प्रॉपर्टी किसी को रेंट पे देता है. दैट इज़ लीजिंग आउट द प्रॉपर्टी. व्हाई एम आई टेलिंग यू इन हिंदी इज़ यू कुड अंडरस्टैंड दिस बेटर. सबके आसपास में सोसाइटी और लोकेलिटी है और हर ओनर अपने अपार्टमेंट को लीज पे या रेंट पे देता है. दैट इज़ गिविंग योर प्रॉपर्टी फॉर अ स्पेसिफिक पीरियड ऑफ टाइम और अ लिमिटेड पीरियड ऑफ टाइम in exchange of a money or in consideration of a money. That is lease. A person who rents out the property or who lets out the property is a lessor, or a transferor, जिसको हम transferor बोलते हैं, is a lessor, and a person who to whom the property is given to enjoy for a particular period of time or a limited period of time is known as a lessee. Okay, now this is a lessor and a lessee. Now you have certain rights and liabilities again for a lessor and a lessee, which is exactly same for as in a sale deed. Okay, we've studied sale, you studied rights and liabilities of a seller and buyer. For lessor and a lessee, this rights and liabilities will be remaining same. So I would request you to go back to the video for sale and you will get the rights and liabilities of a lessor and a lessee. Okay, now second thing is we will talk here about the exchange. What do you understand by exchange? I think you all know exchange मतलब किसी चीज़ के बदले में कोई दूसरी चीज़ लेना या देना. ठीक है. So according to section 118 of Transfer of Property Act, section 118 of Transfer of Property Act, exchange is said that when two person transfers ownership of one thing for the ownership of another, it is said to be called as an exchange under section 118 of a Transfer of Property Act. Why am I repeating the sections again and again is for you to remember the sections, because it is a legal studies and you need to remember the sections. Okay, so section 118 of Transfer of Property Act deals with exchange. Section 54 of Transfer of Property Act deals with sale. Okay, section 3 of Transfer of Property Act deals with the immovable property, not clearly immovable property but still immovable property. Okay, so I want you to revise on the sections and the case studies. Okay, so this is what exchange is all about. For example, if I say that A offers to sell a cottage to B. Okay, A offers to sell a cottage to B and B in return gives the farm to A. So in consideration of a cottage, B or A gets a farm or a cottage. Okay, so there is no consideration of a money here, but there is a consideration of a particular object. Matlab objects are being exchanged. So that is exchange for you. Okay, so now we will study gift. We have studied exchange, that is section 118. Again I am repeating section 118 of Transfer of Property Act, which is also known as TOPA in short. So for Transfer of Property Act, section 118 stands for exchange. Now for gift, the section is 122. What do you understand by gift? Where there is no consideration. मतलब आप अपनी इच्छा से किसी को कुछ दे रहे हो, that is a gift. When there is no consideration and you gift something to someone, when you gift a property or when you transfer the ownership from yourself to someone else as in the form of a gift from your own willingness because you want to gift, okay, without expecting nothing in return, that is a gift. Clear? So this is section 122 of Transfer of Property Act, which is known as gift. Okay, for example, if your father wants to give you a car, okay, and you in return accept it, okay, so that is a gift from your father to you. Simple. So that is a gift. So we've understood the difference between transfer of sale, lease, exchange, and gift. Four things we've studied. Now the best way to distinguish between all these is first sale. Okay, transferring of sale is the consideration will be money in exchange of a money. When it is lease, for lease it will be in exchange of a rent for a price. Again, it is a rent in the and in return you will have a price or money for it. Then you have what? Exchange. For exchange, what you will do? For exchange, you will have another price or another property or another thing in return, and gift is for no consideration as such. Okay, so this is all the four things for transfer of property, and this I conclude, and with this I conclude the transfer of property chapter. I hope you've all understood. For all the doubts or queries, if you have, you can contact me and I'll definitely respond to you. So take care and stay safe and stay at home. Okay, till then, bye.